Hey guys! Welcome once again to my channel. I am Yheng of Events with Yheng, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I did and achieved this simple look, this very simple makeup for ladies with eyeglasses look. So if you want to know how I did this one, keep on watching. Let's begin! Pero tatanggalin muna natin yung... Okay, so to begin with, maglalagay lang tayo ng headband natin. Huwag po kayo magpabother sa aking headband kasi, yan. Always, as always, we use our Evian. Yan. Spray toner or something. Oh, sila, parang naligo ako ulit. So, ayan siya. So, just have to let it dry for a while para ma-absorb siya ng face. Here, two mattifying primers. This one is my favorite, Quick Effects, and I bought it from Watsons. This one is texted na talaga na naglalast sa akin for like 8 to 12 hours. And then this one naman is mga pang daily. Okay, pang daily. At the back of your hand, konting-konti lang, hindi naman super dami. Mga ganyan lang. Natin yan all over the face. All over the faces, and then blend it. I'm going to blend it using my hands. Tapos yung ating favorite na Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless na foundation. So just going to apply. Very konti lang kasi daily ano lang naman ito. Super ganyan lang. Very good. Para ma-even out, lagyan din natin yung leeg para hindi naman tayo magpang floating espasol. And using my sponge that I bought from Gladly, na 100 pesos lang. Kit niya, color green. Di ba ang kit ng kulay kasi pink, green, blue, green. Yan. So there. So yung shape niya, teardrop shape. Pero yung flat yun dito para pwede sa side. Just gonna blend. Don't worry guys, huwag kayong ma-shock. Hindi to super puti sa face ko. Hindi ko lang talaga maintindihan yung lighting natin. Mesh, I'm so sorry. So, blend. Napakaganda ng ano na to. Beauty blender na to. 100 pesos lang. Tapos, ang tibay-tibay niya pa. I mean, parang siyang yung ano mo, yung suksukan ng bulaklak halaman dun sa mga florist ba? Ganyan. So, parang galing damo. Joke lang. Tapos, blend natin yung leeg. Huwag mo kalimutan yung leeg mo. Oh. Ayan. So, napakadali talaga i-blend itong Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation nila. By the way, I am in the shade of 120. Yun na yung lightest nila eh. Dito sa Philippines. Yun yung lightest shade nila dito sa Philippines. So, yan. Okay, there you go. So after this one, I'll just have to set it with the powder. I'm going to set my foundation with my favorite Nishido. Yan. Sorry, ginawa ko na kay mirror. So, pang araw-araw na naman siya. Sinuset natin yung mga parts ng face ko na madaling mag-oil up. So, T-zone. Ganyan-ganyan ko yung ilong ko. Okay lang yan, panguna ako. Wala namang gagawa. Yan, hindi na yan magpa-flatten. Ganyan na siya. So, Me, as always, kilay is life. So there. With my spoolie brush from spoolie brush, basta ganyan. From Miniso. So, groom lang natin siya. And my retractable eyebrow pencil from Miniso as well. This one is in color light brown. Meron din siyang spoolie, pero mas favorite ko kasi gamitin yung sa Miniso ko. Mas mahaba. So, there. Again, this one is in the shade of light brown. Me this liquid eyeliner kasi since monolid ako, kailangan ko medyo magpop up yung eyes ko to emphasize it. Kasi kapag naka-eyeglass ka, so yan, mas maganda na nakikita yung eyes mo. So, I have to build it up na magmumukhang may lid, may eyelid. So, I'm just going to use this Maybelline curl our lashes. So, my curl lash is from Miniso as well. So, kasama to dun sa mga Miniso haul video ko last time. And then, we're just going to apply mascara. So, this one is my favorite na, of course, Maybelline The False Push-Up Angel. Yan. So, piniprep natin siya. Kailangan maglagay muna tayo. For me ha, maglagay muna tayo ng mascara natin before we put on our false eyelashes para may pang-hold at sasalo dun sa falsies mo. So, syempre yung falsies mo meron na yung glue. Pero, mas maikipan mo. Ay, ng false eyelashes. At curl lash tayo. So, definitely, yung part ng eyelid mo, meron dyan lalabas. So, it's better and important. Excuse me. So, it's important na i-tight line natin siya using my Nishido naman na liquid eyeliner. So, I'm just gonna tight line yung ilalim. Okay. Eyelid sa taas. Para hindi kita yung puti-puti. Yan. Brightener, this one is from Bobby. 100 pesos ng puto. So, lalagyan lang natin yung lash line, lower lash line natin ng lighter skin tone natin na yan o, skin tone color para magmukhang mas malakas siya at magpapa. Totally erect ang nose. Walang nose. Kailangan natin magpanggap at maglagay ng nose line. So, the same na gagamitin ko kanina, yung pinang-contour ko, ganun din ang gagamitin natin for my nose. Diba? May nose na ako. Of course, ang walang kamatayang into it natin na wala pang pumapalit sa favorite ko na to. Though, meron ako isang ginagamit. So, yun nga yung ating colorette lip and cheek na ano. Maganda rin yun, Argan Oil. Pero yun yung mga tipong pamadalian ko na ano. May go-to yun. Kasi apply lang, pak. Then, yan, blend. Yan. So, brush on tayo. Ang mahiwagang salamin. Huwag kalimutan magpagpag. Dahil maraming product sa brush mo. At para ma-achieve mo, pag nag-event ako, dito lang ako naglalagay ng blush on, no? Pero kapag ka mga regular days, nagpapak na din pak. Naglalagay din tayo sa mismong, ito, sa high points ng cheeks natin. Yan. It makes someone, so it will make you look younger. Yan. Yan, oh. And medyo nagiging favorite ko ngayon yung paglalagay ng blush sa bridge ng nose. Wow, bridge! Did I mention bridge? Wala ako nun. Illusion. Isipin mo na lang, iniisip ko na lang, besh, na mayroon akong bridge. Ayan. Oh, drunk blush effect. Drunken Master Yheng. Oh, yes. 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 I like it. Ayan. And then, favorite ko din maglagay dito. Yon. Done. Nag-blush na tayo. Lastly is our lip color. Putting on lip color or lipstick is very important because yun nga, it will of course add that final look on your face. So this time, I'm gonna use my Lover shade. Vanilla what napkin yan. Tapos ang cute pa nung applicator niya. Yung doe foot niya is pag may lobe na pahaba na pero may butas sa gitna na siguro to control yung nakukuhang na makontrol yung pagkuha mo ng liquid lipstick. There you go. We've already finished the look for makeup with eyeglasses look. So for final touches, magsaspray lang ulit tayo. This to set okay ating powder, makeup, and everything. Ooh, sarap, super fresh. And then just have to let it dry. Ginawa pa may pan. Guys, here goes the complete look for our makeup with eyeglasses look. Pango version. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang is lalagay natin yung ating salamin. There you go. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end, guys. I'm gonna see you on my next one. So for the other requested videos, don't forget to comment it down below. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, to be updated on my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much once again. I am Yheng of Events with Yheng saying thank you everybody and God bless. Mwah!